Hey guys, so welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to avoid ULEZ on Waze. So guys, first things first is you could just simply open up the Waze application into your device. Now, over here, you would just simply go ahead and go to the three lines on the top left corner of the screen, and you should be able to see here settings. So just simply go through the settings. Now, once you are here, guys, you will just simply go ahead and go for toll and H over V passes and make sure London ULEZ compliant is off. So pretty much I don't have that option because of my region. But if you do, make sure that it is turned off. And if you don't see it, you just simply select show all over here and you would just simply search it over here. Now, another option is make sure your vehicle type is on private. So to do that, go for the vehicle details over here and make sure to select vehicle type over here and make sure it is on private because guys, those are often exempted from the ULEZ. And make sure guys to verify the hours because remember the ULEZ zone has specific operating hours, so Waze will route through it outside these times unless you avoid tolls. Or what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go back to the settings and here go for the navigation and here make sure the avoid toll roads is toggled on to help you guide around chargeable areas, and pretty much this is all the option that you could try in order for you to avoid ULEZ on Waze. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.